That is what Atomy offers you, the opportunity to be an international entrepreneur with no financial investment required. Watch this video till the end and you will see why I joined this business and how you can join too. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Antoinette Lloyd. I am an American retired physician and a world traveler. I recently became a business partner with Atomy because I like the opportunity this company offers to build income from practically anywhere in the world. If you've ever wanted to start a business but didn't have the upfront money to do so, or didn't want the financial risk of paying high startup costs, this opportunity may be for you. One of the things that attracted me to Atomy is how simple and accessible the business is. First, it's free to join. There's no expensive franchise fee, and you don't have to purchase large amounts of inventory to get started. Another thing I love is that there are no mandatory monthly auto ship requirements just to stay active in the business. In fact, all that's required to keep your business active is one Atomy purchase per year. Atomy is a global company headquartered in South Korea, founded by Han-gil Park. Today, Atomy distributors are working in over 50 countries and can build teams and customers across the world. That means you're not limited to building a business in just one city or even one country. Your network can grow internationally. Even if Atomy is not fully open in a country yet, people can join through another country's office and still build an international team. Atomy currently hasn't officially opened in Africa yet, making Africa one of the largest untapped markets. Plans are underway for Atomy to officially expand into Africa in 2026. Countries being discussed for Atomy's initial expansion into Africa include Morocco, Togo, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, and Tanzania. Africa is attractive because of its huge population growth, rapid e-commerce adoption, and very strong network marketing culture. Another major advantage is the product line. Atomy offers over 160 products, and most of them are everyday essentials people already buy. Things like toothpaste, skincare, vitamins, household detergents, and personal care products. So instead of buying these items from big retailers like Walmart, Costco, or Amazon, people can purchase them through Atomy. When customers and team members buy these products regularly, it has the potential to build long-term residual income. Atomy is also experiencing incredible growth. Even though the company is only 16 years old, it has already become one of the top 10 direct selling companies in the world. For comparison, companies like Amway and Herbalife are in the top 3, but these companies are already heavily saturated with distributors because they have been in operation for over 60 and 40 years, respectively. Because Atomy is still a relatively young company and growing rapidly and globally, many people believe this is an exciting time to join Atomy. The potential to move up quicker into the higher income master levels is more likely now during this exponential growth phase than later when Atomy becomes more known and saturated. One feature that really stood out to me is the potential to build generational wealth. According to the company's policies, your Atomy business can be passed down to your children when you pass away, and subsequently passed down again from your children to grandchildren when your children have also passed. That means the business you build today could benefit your family for generations to come. I'm personally excited about this opportunity, and I'm inviting my friends, family, and associates to join me in this international business opportunity at this opportune time. As many of you know, the best time to enter a successful network marketing business is as soon as possible, so don't delay. Whether you're interested in making additional income, buying quality products for your personal or business use, or building generational wealth, Atomy may be a substantial financial opportunity for you and your family. If you'd like more information about joining our team, you can call or message me on WhatsApp. My contact number is listed in the description box below this video. Remember, it's free to sign up, and you can join from many countries around the world. Kindly use the comment section below to ask any questions you may have. If you are ethical, coachable, and desire to earn additional income, I am interested in you joining our team.